Okay, sorry for the disturbance. Outside something more sounds we are getting, that's why. Yes, you may can ask what's your doubts, otherwise you can move further. Okay, fine. Okay, yesterday I given salt bridge. Up to salt bridge I may given that one. If any salt, suppose mostly given KNO3, K2SO4, KCl, given ammonium nitrate, these are going to be acts as salt bridge. Why we are choosing only few mains? That reasons also I am giving. Please note down that point. Please write, sir. High solubility in the water or solution. You can write, sir. High solubility. High solubility in the water. And second one you may can take equal mobility of cation and anion. Equal mobility of cation and anion. Equal mobility of cation and anion. Arey Nivas Kumar, what happened actually? You are asking that one something. You are asking a review about Lernity. Review means what you are expecting from them. Means I didn't get first. Then I can reply that one. You may can write same, sir. All these are 2 and 3 points. Meaning is same. Equal ionic conductance of equal ionic conductance of cation and anion. So almost same meaning, that is everyone. These things 2 points. Same. Their velocity is same. I'm going to be explain with the diagrammatical. I'm going to be explain with the diagrammatical again clearly by drawing that the diagram. Just that points, okay? Hey, Murli sir number, you have that one. Nivas Kumar, you have Murli sir number. You may can send everything. You may can contact them. Okay. No. Why we are choosing these salts in only we are choosing these are the in salts in salt bridge, you know? Why we are choosing these 3? That is the purpose we are giving, sir. Purpose. Why you are choosing only these salts in salt bridge? Reason we given. I think so. You given too many meetings. I will try to give Murli sir number. Please note down, and you can ask them. They can respond whatever your requirements. Because I'm not the right person regarding those things. Please note down. This is the sir number, Murli sir number. So you can contact him directly. This Murli sir number. You can contact him whatever you have queries and everything. He will respond. Even if people suppose sometimes you are attempting questions, their answer also correct, but they given wrong answers. It will happen mostly. Even that cases also you may can send him. Okay. You feel exactly answer is correct. Key corrections will do that one, sir. Not key corrections. If they given answer key something, sometimes you are not getting good score, even correct also at the time only. Use for only where main purpose, not every small things, because he is busy mostly. Okay. Regarding now Nivas Kumar is telling something about that things you may can ask. Don't ask everything to him also, that may not be good. Okay, leave it. But he will respond, sir. It's good, he will respond that on everything. So I think so mainly a given purpose of, I think so what is the main use of salt bridge also given? To maintain electrical neutrality. Okay. And to complete electrical circuit. I think so these terms you wrote yesterday. I hope. Means last class. Read number of times our class notes and NCERT book. Number of times. Try to avoid just one time, two times. So whenever possibility is there, try to read number of times. Then you can get more important points, means more times. You will get everything. Okay, fine. One more term is there. Just note down that point. This is the point. Just note down that you don't have in the syllabus all these last 3 points. Okay. You can say mobility or speed also, sir. You can use that term. Speed also. Speed or velocity, I think you know that meanings. Equal transport number of equal transport number. Cation and anion. Transport number is the like mole fraction. Transport number. Suppose you are taking cation transport number equal to ionic mobility of cation by total, sir. Ionic mobility of cation plus anion. This is like, you don't have in the syllabus, please keep in mind. No need that one. Just like mole fraction only this is. Just like mole fraction. Don't think too much. Like, if that is anion, you need anion transport number. You can write anion conductance by total conductance. Anion conductance by total conductance. So total transport number should be like mole fraction, sir. Some of the mole fraction should be equal to 1 or not. Some of the mole fraction should be equal to 1. So you can write cation plus anion transport number equal to 1 only. So both are same, means both should have 0.5, 0.5. These things you don't have in the syllabus. You don't worry that one. But remember what is the transport number? Just maybe they can use option. What is the condition for to access salt bridge, the ion? In terms of salt transport number they are given at the time useful for you. They won't ask any problems, anything on these formulas. I'm explaining, these are like mole fraction. That is the only word I given. Leave that things, don't think, just keep in mind equal transport number. Equal means cation should be 0.5 and anion should be 0.5. That is the equal transport number means. So once completed, please let me know that one. Page number NCERT book 66. Can you open? Page number NCERT book 66. Page number. We make an open. In that case, they given galvanic cell or Daniel cell, both same they given. I think so. Both are same they given, Daniel or galvanic cell in your NCERT book. That's correct only. Now we are going to be take that cases, sir. Please open. Here are some cases they mention. You can see that is A, B, C. A, B, C cases you may can see your NCERT book. Page number 66. Hello, this is salt bridge. Here I am taking ZnSO4 solution. Here CuSO4 solution. Clear? This is zinc rod, Zn. This is copper rod. Once reaction started at anode oxidation, at cathode reduction. This is zinc, Zn converted into Zn2 plus. Please look into this reaction. Things you don't want by head anything. Everything is in front of you. Zinc is generally solid state. When you are writing ions means keep in mind those are aqueous state. This already ZnSO4 is there. This zinc rod, this zinc only converted into Zn2 plus. Keep in mind this is very clearly I mentioned. Already ZnSO4 is there. Okay. Here Cu2 plus is there and SO4 2 minus is there. Okay. But Cu2 plus going to be attract towards, this is cathode, this is cathode, sir, and this is anode. Anode Zn convert into Zn2 plus means they can lose electrons to electrons, sir. This electrons is moving through this wire. Okay, this is the flow of electrons. Current flow should be opposite. That's already given, that is current flow. Understood? Current flow is opposite. This electrons flow. So that electrons is traveling. They're coming here. They're attracting Cu2 plus. Then Cu2 plus taking electrons that convert into Cu. Please look into here diagram. Any doubt, let me know that one. Zn lose electrons. Then Zn convert into Zn2 plus. That the traveling electrons to that wire. Then enter into the cathode. That attracted copper 2 plus. When they are coming to the copper 2 plus, that contains electrons, then they deposit at cathode. So which you have 2 plus, this is aqueous solution, this is solid. Please respond, you understood or not? You should be respond, sir, otherwise how can I understand that is. Whatever you have queries, you may ask, I will respond that is. I think so is clear. Nothing is wrong. I think everyone fine. Now we can check it clearly one by one. Here Zn2 plus increases our concentration A. Here anyway ZnSO4 solution this is. They have ZnSO4 solution. Here CuSO4. If you see after some time, Zn2 plus ions increases are not here because zinc is converted into Zn2 plus. Here Cu2 plus going to be deposit here. So here sulfate ions, more number of sulfate ions is there. Copper 2 plus ions decreases. Here sulfate ions is constant, but zinc 2 plus ions increases because zinc rod releases too many Zn2 plus ions. Here copper taking Cu2 plus going to be deposit here. Sulfate ions increases. After some time, we'll get here more Zn2 plus ions. Here more SO4 2 minus ions. Any doubt here? Array zinc rod releases too many Zn2 plus ions. That reaction is at anode occurs oxidation. Then too many SO4 ions is remaining at cathode cell because Cu2 plus going to be deposit. Cu2 plus going to be deposit. Understood this point? The same diagram I'm trying again, not new diagram. This is zinc electrode, sir. This zinc electrode slowly that corroded. Previously perfect zinc rod is there. Now that corroded means Zn2 plus releases here. All the zinc is converted into Zn2 plus. Understood? I wrote diagram, you can see. Previously I wrote perfectly zinc rod. After some time what happened, sir? Zinc is converted into Zn2 plus. And here copper rod, but here copper is going to be deposit. All copper is surrounded, they attracted to copper. That become thin or fatty person. You can assume that one. So Cu2 plus going to be deposit here. That's why that it become fat. And zinc become slim. You can assume that one because that losing copper, zinc ions. So this is going to be happened after some time. So in the solution, ZnSO4 solution, Zn2 plus ions increases. In CuSO4 solution, CuSO4 2 minus ions increases because all copper is deposited. No no copper ions are in copper sulfate solution. You can ask your doubts, otherwise you can proceed, sir. Still you didn't start our weekend syllabus portion. Yes, because oxidation only. Zinc is losing. Zinc is converted to Zn2 plus. I understood, Ganesh. So more Zn2 plus ions we are getting in the solution slowly. And copper 2 plus ions decreases slowly because that is going to be deposit. Think so, no doubt I am expecting. Now, whenever charge difference is there, then automatically some potential will develop, sir. Whenever here more Zn2 plus ions is there, more Zn2 plus ions will get here more sulfate ions. After certain time, potential develop, then that going to be stopped. That cell reaction may not be occur. To maintain electrical neutrality, I given salt bridge function, sir. Electrical neutrality. So this is Zn2 plus means it will send NO3 minus ions if I are taking KNO3. Here sulfate ions is there, more sulfate ions to maintain neutrality. This is negative charge. So we need to send positive character, that is K plus. They are sending K plus to the solution. So after a certain term, they can maintain electrical neutrality. So suppose one Zn2 plus ion coming from anode, then two NO3 minus will come here because you have to get electrical neutral, sir. 1 Zn2 plus equal to 2 NO3 minus because charge should be equal. Here also, so given salt bridge function also to maintain electrical neutrality also. Clear? Now we can check it. So what is the salt bridge role? I think we got it. They should be move equal speed. How much speed of NO3 going? That much speed only K. Then only can maintain without any potential development happen. So exactly perfectly cell going to be happen. If they have speed difference means you will get charge difference, then automatically you will get some potential. Understood? So salt bridge function also completed. And here 3 cases which is ABC they given, you can find out. Zn copper sulfate. So Zn and copper combination will give 1.1 volt, sir. This capacity of the battery is, the cell is 1.1 volt. If suppose your mobile is there that have battery dead, you can connect through wire, then it will recharge, sir. Connect through wire, this is 0 volt. I think so electric current character, you know that one. It will move high potential to low potential. So this 0 volt, your mobile or battery, whatever, then it's going to be recharged. Is it correct? So nothing is going to be happen. So this is external. I am going to be say E external volt. E external is less than 1.1 volt. Then recharge occur. This is spontaneous. You can write, sir. This is spontaneous. Spontaneous means you don't want to do anything. That can happen itself. And second one, please note down. If I am connecting, which is this cell, sir, 1.1 volt cell. Array 1.1 volt represent this complete cell. If 1.1 volt is there here, we connected this battery to other one, but it have 5 volt. So which is more, sir? This is our cell and outside is more. So now electricity, instead of going like this, they are going to be come back. This is acceptable. So this case is E, this is E external. E external is greater than 1.1 volt. Whenever this is going to be happen, all these electrodes also become opposite direction. So that become opposite, sir. You can see the diagram C. Please look into the C. Previously zinc is negative charge anode. Now that become C is become positive, sir. So reverse reaction takes place. Reverse reaction. So reverse reaction at anode oxidation is the first case. But here that reverse will take place. Zinc is losing of electrons here. But when we are supplying to opposite means zinc can gain electrons. Means all the Zn2 plus going to be deposited here and Cu2 plus will come in the solution. So Zn2 plus 2 electrons gives rise Zn. Cu gives Cu2 plus 2 electrons. Understood? So opposite reactions. Please open your NCERT book, look into the diagram. If you have any doubts, you can ask, sir. Don't be silent. Where general case is at anode oxidation, zinc can lose electrons. At cathode reduction, copper gain electron. That is common case, which is whenever this reaction occurs, then only electricity will produce. That's the normal case, which is outside source is less potential, then inside have more potential. This reaction occurs. If we are connecting this cells are this complete cell, we are suppose we are connecting this complete cell. Look into here diagram. This complete cell we are connecting to one big device, which is transformer. You can assume, sir. Transformer potential is too much than the cell. Suppose you have more potential, then you are connecting this one. Then electrons can move reverse direction. This is the source. We are giving electrons. Generally, this is natural occur. Then opposite can take place because we are providing energy from outside. Yes, case 2 is non-spontaneous. Case 2 is non-spontaneous. because itself that is not occurring, sir. We are wantedly making opposite. So this is non-spontaneous. And non-spontaneous meaning which is not possible that you are making possible. This is general case, which is Zn converted into Zn2 plus Cu2 plus is converted into Cu. But we are taking reverse. This is non-spontaneous. That is a cases NCERT book. Please read that book, sir, first. Some people may can get 100% right now, maybe some people 50%, 30%. Today read your textbook and what you understood. If still you have doubt, you may can ask tomorrow. No, this is for zinc. Okay, this is for zinc. Only zinc one, only zinc copper only. This is only for zinc copper is 1.1 volt. Keep in mind, this is suppose this another cell I am constructing here. This is also salt bridge, electrodes. If this is zinc ZnSO4 solution and AgNO3 solution, it have different E0 value, sir. That is that E value is I think so 1.56 volt. So that depends upon nature of electrodes which you are taking. That depends upon nature of electrodes which you are taking. If that nature of electrodes is different, then this value also different. Got it? Right, next cell representation. Please write it, sir. Cell representation. Please write. Which is the galvanic cell, sir. You can check it here, galvanic cell. Anode is left side or right side? Anode and cathode. You can see anode is left side or right side? Left side. So you can go, we are going to be right. Left to right cell representation, sir. Left side is anode. After that salt bridge. After that cathode. We are going to be right side. This is the order. First anode, salt bridge, then cathode. This we are going to be writing pattern, sir. So first write zinc. This is metal, solid state. I write this is galvanic cell also. Zinc, then small 1 slash ZnSO4 solution, which you are fill that one. That concentration you can write either M1, sir. M1 is the molarity. You can take something concentration is there. Anode representation completed. I am writing this is only anode representation. Otherwise you can write here only. Please read your NCERT book, then add all the important points to your notes. The cell representation siding wrote, then write sir under that. First zinc Zn slash ZnSO4 solution. Its concentration, sir. Any solution that has some concentration, I am taking M1. Double slash, that is salt bridge. Then again CuSO4 solution. Then Cu. Small slash. So this is salt bridge, which is double slash I given. This is salt bridge. So terminal should be metals. Please note down that point. Terminal should be neutral and maybe metals or non-metals, whatever. But terminal should be neutral. that should not contain any concentration. So I am taking CuSO4 concentration is M2, or some books they may can give C1 also, C1 or M1, C2 or M2, anything same, sir. Even they can represent Zn slash Zn2 plus double slash Cu2 plus. Array copper oxidation state Cu2 plus. Here Zn2 plus slash Cu. Solid. You may can take here C2 concentration, C1 concentration, solid. So first we are writing anode, followed by salt bridge, then cathode. They may can give, sir, Zn comma ZnSO4 solution. Salt bridge you have to write 100%. CuSO4 Cu, or Zn2 plus Cu2 plus Cu. Like that you can represent, sir. Any one you can write representation. If any doubt, please you can ask, sir. Just note down first. Array will practice now how to represent one more cell also. Can you represent cell representation for this one? Please, cell representation. Cell representation. Please write. Correct. Stanley, Vimal Raj, both are correct, sir. Very good. So copper, CuSO4, double slash, AgNO3, Ag. Otherwise copper, Cu2 plus slash Ag plus AgNO, Ag. Fine. This is the cell representation. What's they given next? NCERT book, what they mention? Please look into that book. So galvanic silver, then cell electromotive force, EMF of the cell. I read that pages 67 and 66 and 68. Yes, you should be read, sir, that one. Okay. You need to read all these things. Please note down that's your homework. Page number 66, 67, 68. This is your homework, sir. Please you have to note down. Note down that's your homework. Which is a given representation is IUPAC conversion, sir. IUPAC conversion. That NCERT book also they mention one is old conversion, that is oxidation potential, reduction potential. There's some terms they given. Page number 67, I think so that is they given. Anyway, we will discuss that also, right? Oxidation potential. Oxidation potential means, write it, when electrode is negatively charged with respect to solution. When electrode is negatively charged with respect to solution. With respect to solution. So it acts as anode. It means it acts as anode. Clear? It acts as anode. Means anode means oxidation occurs. Like this. If any metal, if it takes place oxidation, that we call oxidation potential, because oxidation occurs. Then that we call anode. Can you write reduction potential? reduction potential. Write it. When electrode is positively charged, same as it is, sir. You can write when electrode is positively charged. With respect to the solution, it acts as cathode. So means reduction occur. Say exactly opposite you can write. M n plus n electrons gives rise M. The reduction potential, oxidation potential. And we can't find out any cell absolutely its potential, sir. Only single cell is there. This is you make and say ZnSO4 solution. Okay, you make and take alone. Next one more. Here copper you can take copper rod in CuSO4 solution. I am representing, sir, CuSO4 solutions, which is alone single cell. We can't find out its potential. Okay, that's also directly can't find out. So we can compare with separately with relatively with other electrode, which is reference electrodes we call that is. Anyone we can represent, fine, but mostly use that slash is good, but anyone they can represent. For standard they can give in mostly slash only. You can use any one representation, doesn't matter. So you can write one point, sir. It is not possible to measure the absolute value of, please note down. You can't find out single electrode, sir. We call single cell or single electrode. Single electrode or single cell also. Single cell. This representation is one cell, sir. This is with respect to electrochemistry. Right. It is not possible to measure the absolute value of single electrode potential directly. It is not possible to measure. It is not possible to measure the absolute value of the single electrode potential directly. Only the difference in potential between two electrodes, only the difference in potential between two electrodes can be measured experimentally. Only the difference in potential between two electrodes can be measured experimentally. Okay. Then can you open your NCERT book page number 68, sir. Cell potential and difference between electrode potential, reduction force. Please, they given first paragraph you can see, sir. First paragraph, page number 68. You may can read, sir, that paragraph. Our NCERT book is too good, sir. Try to understand each line. So we are going to be calculate now E cell or EMF, electromotive force. Please you make a note down. EMF means electromotive force of a cell. In that paper they mention everything, you may can see. So how to calculate EMF they given. Suppose you are taking any two cells, sir. These are the two cells. We constructed, assume that one galvanic cell only this is. Zinc, copper, ZnSO4, CuSO4. I need to calculate cell. Have we got 1.1 volt? How we got 1.1 volt? That's we are going to be calculate. That is the only EMF. Okay. So here EMF of the cell we are going to be calculate. How to calculate electromotive force? So even they given, you can check it here. E cell equal to E right minus E left. They mention, sir, 1 volt. This is the left side. This is right side. Is it correct? So writing E cell. If I am keeping E naught means that is standard condition. E naught cell equal to E naught means standard condition. Please maintain that word. What they given, sir? E naught right minus E naught left. This is the given. Please check it. E naught right minus E naught left. Otherwise, you can write. Anode means left side. This is it correct? What we call zinc is we called anode, sir. This is cathode. You can write here E naught cell equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. Understood? When these all these things reduction potential they given. Reduction potential. What is the reduction potential first? Any metal that gaining of electrons can occur, then that potential we call reduction potential. Now only a given definition, please check it to that one. Whatever you are measuring, this is value, E naught value. That's one reduction potential. Please look into that one. Now only a given definition. So when they given reduction potential, please check into here. Next, E naught cell equal to E naught oxidation potential plus E naught reduction potential also you can write. E naught oxidation means exactly, sir. M gives rise Mn plus Mn, N plus plus N electron. This is oxidation. This is called oxidation. So exactly both are opposite, sir. All these points you can note down one by one. B active mode, sir. After writing on the screen, don't think like that one. Please write parallelly, running notes. Note down after this. For oxidation or reduction, we have some potential. That's we called oxidation potential. For oxidation, reduction means some reduction potential. So E cell calculation, we can do that one. E cathode minus E anode or E right minus E left. Please note down this point. So E oxidation, what is reduction potential? For reduction, something potential is there, that is reduction potential. This is we call reduction because reduction reaction. If oxidation, some potential is there, that is E oxidation, E naught. Not indicate standard conditions. Not indicate standard conditions. So write it here. E naught oxidation. This is very important. Equal to minus E naught reduction. Oxidation reduction value same, sir. Only sign is opposite. Please note down that point. Please note down. How to find out oxidation and reduction potentials? Both are same, but only sign is different. Only sign is different. So now suppose I am giving this is the E cell calculation, sir. What is the standard? E naught standard means that we can write. Please write. I think so. They are given page number 68. SHE, sir. Standard hydrogen electrode. Please note on that point. You can write siding also. Measurement of electrode potential. Please write that siding. Measurement of electrode potential. Siding you can write. Measurement of electrode potential. So SH you can write, sir. She. Standard hydrogen electrode. Please write it. And the diagram also you can see. Standard hydrogen electrode. You can write siding. The diagram also you can see it. Page number 68. Little bit fast you can write, sir. Measurement of electrode potential. Under that case, standard hydrogen electrode. Open at least app also, doesn't matter here. So this is our reference electrode, sir. What is the representation of electrode? They given standard hydrogen electrode. SHE, sir. Standard hydrogen electrode. And representation they mention platinum slash H2 gas slash H plus ion. This is the representation of hydrogen electrode. For gases, we have to add platinum, that is inert electrode. Okay, because gas one alone that is not acts as a rod or anything that is. So things here they measure, they given. This is the one of the electrodes, sir. So which is we have all the values. If possibly make and go little bit down. Page number 71. One table they mentioned, sir. Page number 71. Page number 71, they given one table. All they are gaining electron, they are forming equation, sir. F2 plus 2 electrons gives rise F minus, there is reduction. They have some values. You can see left side. E naught value they mention 2.87, 1.81 like that. Okay. We measured all these values relatively with respect to hydrogen electrode. With respect to hydrogen electrode we measured. Alone we can't measure, only F electrode is there, we can't measure. All these are we measured with respect to hydrogen electrode. So hydrogen is a reference electrode. That E naught value how much for hydrogen? 0. You may can check it, sir. 0 value is there. Hydrogen electrode. reduction potential is 0, they are taking. Hydrogen electrode, reduction potential is 0, sir. Even equation also you may can get. Reduction means gaining of electrons. Reduction means gaining of electrons. H plus electron gives rise half H2. So this is 0, sir, reduction potential. That arrangement you make and draw a diagram. Okay. So they mention. You make and copies of the diagram here. Hydrogen electrode and representation. So next class we are going to be solve everything with respect to hydrogen electrode. Suppose zinc they given 0.76 volts, sir, minus 0.76 Zn 2 plus 2 Zn. Reduction potential representation, that is. How we got minus 0.76 with respect to hydrogen electrode? I got that value. How we are getting all the tables, sir? That whole table they measure with respect to hydrogen relatively. Absolute value of E naught value we can't measure. Ganesh, absolute value of E naught cell value we can't measure. We can measure only difference. That is also with respect to hydrogen we are going to be calculate. Next class we are going to discuss. Please read and come NCERT book. Don't come directly. I'm going to be ask you tomorrow some questions, NCERT book questions. Clear? Thank you. Take break. We'll continue our class tomorrow. Okay. Just read and come your NCERT book. Alright, given one statement, it is not possible to measure. It is not possible to measure the absolute value of the single electrode potential. The absolute value of the single electrode potential directly. All the statements NCERT book they contain. It is not possible to measure the absolute value of single electrode potential directly. Only the difference in potential. Only the difference in potential between two electrodes can be measured experimentally. Only the difference in potential between two electrodes can be measured experimentally. Okay. That's only the sentence. That's NCERT book also they contain. You may can check it. Okay. Thank you. We'll meet next class.